Transformation tip number 3, take walks in nature every single day. I love it. It helps me to relax, to rejuvenate, helps me forget about the day, and you just take time to connect with Mother Nature again. And when I'm out on walks, a lot of times I don't listen to anything. I don't listen to my videos. I don't listen to music, just listening to the sounds, the birds and the sounds of nature. And also, don't forget to take with you your favorite furry friend, because they also can help you relax. But when you're out in nature, just take time to breathe. Breathe in and out. Take time to relax, rejuvenate, and get connected with your inner being.